And that was it. Got out right here for a nice cool 1 or 2. And that's really it, man. I don't really got too much to say.
Let's walk through.
What's good with y'all young boys, man? Kevo Game back in the building with another trader video. You feel me? Hey, today, man, I got a quick trade breakdown for y'all, man. This one of the trades that I called last week. You feel me? Yeah. So let me tell you what I saw. So the first thing I saw, well, my first entry was right here, but we got stopped out on this big wick right here at 6 in the morning. So we got stopped out on our first entry, but we got another entry around 10 o'clock in the morning, like 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning. So the first thing I saw was that, okay, the price was making a nice stage 1, right? It stopped falling, it fell, stopped falling right here. We have 4 candles to confirm that this was a bottom. We got 1. Let me break it up. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, right? On the bottom on this candle right here, which I did. I bought. Then I waited. I got stopped out. Okay, boom. I should never took this trade that early, because if you go to the 4-hour candle, that would have been like over. We only had 2, and I like to have at least like 4 or 3 candles before I enter on the 1-hour time frame. You know what I'm saying? But on the daily time frame, we are bullish, so I was taking buys. Y'all already know how I trade. I believe price is above this 20 SMA. I believe the price is bullish, and when it's below it, I think it's bearish. That's it. On any time frame. So we bullish on the daily, and then I seen the stage for a bottom right here emerging, so I got in the buy. Got in probably a little too early, but that's fine. But fast forward time. Okay, we got stopped out at 6. At first, I want to take this entry right here, because I was like, man, I just got stopped out. I don't know. You put your funds to the side and just execute the skill. You got to execute. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna put my funds aside, and I'm gonna get back in. Let me make this white. That's my entry. So boom, I seen this right here. I got in right here. This white line right here. Same exact thing. Stage 1, finna break out right. We got a cold RS at the top. MACD was already, you know, positive. You know what I'm saying? So then I go to the 4-hour. I see that this is a stage 1, and this candle right here is above the 5 EMA. So that's like before price is bullish on the daily time frame. So I took the buy with confidence. So I took the buy, put a good like 2% on this play. That's like 125. So boom, I took it, and the rest was history, man. Let me just buy. You know what I'm saying? The rest was history after that. And that was it. Got out right here for a nice cool 1 or 2. And that's really it, man. I don't really got too much to say. That was that trade that I took. I also took this trade on EU. I took this trade as well on EU. Hold on. This trade right here on EU. I'm gonna pull up the screenshot of how it looked before it ran like this. It was this trade right here, this long stretch. I caught that trade, and then I'm also in this trade right now in USD Chef right now. I'm currently in this trade right now. I'm waiting on to take my second TP up here. We just hit TP1 already. I got in right here on entry. I actually entered on this trade twice. My first entry was over here somewhere, but I got out. Then I just got back in last night right here. And now we just hit our first TP, and hopefully we hit our second TP. If this just keep going sideways, stalling out, I might get out. I might not. I'm not sure, but I'm waiting on it to hit my second TP. We got a hot RSI, and the 4-hour is not hot yet, so we just still got potential to go up a lot more. Probably to like up here somewhere. Probably. We'll see. But I'm currently in this trade right now. I had a rough last week because I wasn't that disciplined. I was, moving loose. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's really it though, man. I'm in this trade right now. I was just in EU, same type of deal. Let me show y'all this little trade breakdown real quick. Same type of deal. Go back. Same type of deal. This was on the weekend though. Yeah, I remember this trade was on Friday. So first thing first, man, we get a cold RSI and a Bollinger Band break. We need 4 candles for a bottom. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4. No, that's probably the more than 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Now with a bought on this candle right here, if you go to the 4 hour and see what the 4 hour doing, see this is a premature bottom. Like you getting in super early because this still needs a couple more candles. So, but the daily time frame is bullish, super bullish. Just a pullback. It's not a high RSI on now. So you could take this trade with confidence too, but I like to wait a little longer to have like at least like 2 more bars. But I got in early, I ain't gonna lie. I got in early on Friday. Yeah, it's been Thursday on the Friday. So I got in probably right there. What time was that? Yeah, around that time, yeah, 8 o'clock, yeah. For sure I got in right there. And then the star made it. It's the weekend, so it's not finna come up. And then I think I targeted my TP was like up here somewhere. Like up there somewhere, some shit like that. It was like I wanted to. Actually, this trade was I wanted to. Just down here somewhere. And we ain't for like that. We ain't for it right there. So boom, we'll just play. We eventually hit it. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Oh shit. Maybe I did that wrong. I did that wrong. That's not even the 1 and 2. My bad, y'all. That's where we got out of that. But that was that trade. I'm gonna put that trade up on the screen too. But yeah, man, that's really it for this video, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and let me know down below if you learned something or not. I'm Kevo, join the gang, and we finna do this thing, man. I'm gone.
I turn around, man, this bitch, I'm killing shit like I'm Herb. You can't fuck with me, I do that shit, I rap this straight to burst. All the fuck you talking about, bitch, I'm against it on me. And let be the fucking till you fucking know me. I'm Kevo gang in this bitch, 100 count away. Bitch, we in this bitch, T every fucking day.